Hello, welcome to Travel with Suri. This 50 acres of extraordinary color is in bloom on a hillside overlooking the Pacific Ocean and offers a special nursery, garden, and gift shop. For over 60 years, Mother Nature has transformed the rolling hills of North San Diego County into one of the most spectacular and coordinated displays of natural color and beauty anywhere in the world. The nearly 50 acres of this field in Carlsbad are in bloom for approximately 6 to 8 weeks each year, literally bringing the famous fields back to life. Welcome to Carlsbad Flower Fields, California. Due to COVID restrictions, there are no on-site tickets available. That means you have to buy the tickets online only. Mask requirement is mandatory throughout your stay at the site. The price of the ticket is $20 per person for adult and $10 for children under age of 10. Every year from approximately middle of March to middle of May, 50 acres on the west side of Carlsbad come alive with the beauty of thousands of blooming ranunculus flowers. Back in the 1920s, a Dutch florist named Luther Gage settled in this area just north of San Diego and planted tons of ranunculus seeds he brought over with him. After several decades, the beauty of these more than 50 acres of vibrant flowers speaks for itself. And to make matters even more impressive, the variety found in the flowers field at Carlsbad Ranch are giant Tacolate ranunculuses, which are known as one of the finest strains of ranunculuses. That is part of the reason these flowers are so unique and the fields are worth putting on your bucket list. In the flower field, they have made areas where you can go into an opening in the flowers where you can take some great photos. When you visit, you can explore the fields by foot or take a ride on the Wagon pulled by an antique tractor. It is quite picturesque. There are activities for the kids, including a sweet Pea Maze, a play area with a few of the old buildings that came from Santa's village in the San Bernardino Mountains. There is a project cultivating cymbidium orchids and video presentation about the flower fields and the floral industry in the San Diego area. There are lemonade stands, ice cream and snacks, gift shops and a rose garden. The good thing is the parking is free. There is usually a plenty of overflow parking. I would highly recommend to visit this place if you are nearby San Diego area from middle of March to middle of May. I hope you all liked my video. If you liked it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video.